ERGO Scholarship, or ERGO Scholarship, is another regional need-based fully funded scholarship in Italy. It is similar to DSU, EDISU, ERSU, and Lazio Disco scholarships, but offered in the Emilia-Romagna region of Italy. So any international student who got admission to any public university in Emilia-Romagna region can apply for it. The list of universities for the ERGO Scholarship is also given below. In this video, ERGO Scholarship Guide, we will explain everything. ERGO Scholarship. 1. What are the benefits of the ERGO Scholarship? 2. Who can apply for the ERGO Scholarship? 3. Who can't apply for the ERGO Scholarship? 4. Documents required for the ERGO Scholarship. 5. How to apply for an ERGO Scholarship. 6. What are the deadlines for the ERGO Scholarship? What are the benefits of the ERGO Scholarship? ERGO mainly provides 4 benefits to its scholarship holders. The tuition fee is fully covered. 1 free meal per day for a whole year. 3. Hostel accommodation or coverage of living, renting expenses if you are living outside the ERGO residence. 4. A total sum of up to €6,157 will be given. If the hostel and one-time meal is given, then the grant will be deducted accordingly. Remember, the scholarship grant depends on your student's EC. Check the EC table for the ERGO Scholarship. 5. The applicant also has a chance for international mobility for 1 semester or more. Note, the ERGO grant strictly depends on the student's income status. In the first year, it's entirely income need base, but in second year, it also gets merit base. 2. Who can apply for the ERGO Scholarship? Eligibility criteria of ER.GO. 1. National and international students of bachelor's, master's, and PhD students from all areas, disciplines, and nationalities can apply for ER.GO. 2. There are no age restrictions for the ERGO Scholarship. Anyone who got admission in any public university in Emilia-Romagna region can apply for ER.GO. 3. Students should be enrolled or at least finish the pre-enrollment process before applying for the ERGO Scholarship. 4. There are no IELTS, experience letter, or any kind of entry test required for ERGO Scholarship. Remember, these documents could be required for the specific universities and disciplines, but not for the ERGO application. The income of the applicant must be less than €24,000 per annum to be eligible. The applicant can get all the privileges of hostel and canteen, etc. if the income is less than €7,000 to €8,900 per annum. The less the income is, the more benefits they will get. The merit may change every year. It depends on how many students applied per year. PhD students are only eligible if they aren't beneficiaries or taking other research funds. Remember, one can be eligible for ERGO Scholarship, but still fail to get the scholarship because of not fulfilling the income or merit criteria. 3. Who can't apply for the ERGO Scholarship? Not eligible for ER.GO. Applicants who are already getting benefits from another scholarship or fund from any public or private institution are not eligible for ERGO Scholarship. Students who are repeating the year or are enrolled on a part-time basis. Applicants who didn't submit their documents by the deadline. Students who submitted wrong or truthful documents. Applicants who are already holding a degree awarded in Italy that is equal to or higher than the program for which the grant is requested. Remember, applicants can only apply once a year. 4. Which documents are required for the ERGO Scholarship? 1. Family Composition Certificate. 2. Family Income Certificate. 3. Property Certificate. 4. Codice Fiscale. 5. ISEE parificato. 6. Passport or ID. 7. Italian translation of the documents. 8. University admission or pre-enrollment letter. This is an additional document. 9. DOV or Declaration of Value, CIMEA, or Self-Declaration. This is an additional document. 10. Academic transcripts. This is an additional document. 11. CV. This is an additional document. 12. Course description. This is an additional document. 13. IELTS or English proficiency. This is an additional document. Note, the additional documents are not required for the ERGO Scholarship per se. It's good to have these documents because it's essential for the university enrollment process and could be asked for later in additional documents. The essential documents are explained below. 5. How to apply for ERGO scholarships. We explained the whole process in 4 easy steps. 5.1. Check the regional scholarship. First, check out which regional scholarship your university is offering. If your university is in the Emilia-Romagna region, it will offer an ERGO scholarship. But if it's in some other region of Italy, then it will offer other Italian regional scholarships like EDISU, Lazio Disco, EDISU, ERSU, ERGO, ALISEO, etc. Technically, if you got admission to one of the universities mentioned below, you can apply for an ERGO scholarship. 5.2. Prepare the set of documents. Gather all the documents discussed in this blog above. Carefully read the criteria of documents. Applicants only need the essential documents, which is Family Income Certificate, Property Certificate, Family Details Certificate, or FRC/Family Composition Certificate, Passport Copy, Codice Fiscale, ISEE Parificato. Note, all the above-mentioned documents should be apostille, translate, and legalized. Apostille means international attestation that is acceptable in 92 countries. The Ministry of External Affairs does that for every country. If your country isn't under Hague Convention, then do it from MOFA, or Ministry of Foreign Affairs, that is, in the case of Pakistan. Translate these documents and then legalize them from Italian consulates. All the income or assets and their values must be expressed in euros by calculating the exchange rate of foreign currencies. Additional documents may be needed if the ERGO asked for them. 5.3. Fill out and submit the application for ERGO Scholarship. ERGO application shortcuts. Go to the ERGO official website, Servizi online, per studenti, select the venue, enter through Uni Credentials or SPID, fill personal data, fill economic data, benefits application, get the PIN code, send documents to Dossier Utente, Accesso per studenti, attached documents. The documents can only be attached in PDF format, and it should not be greater than 1 megabyte. 5.4. Wait for the final ranking. After doing all the above steps and uploading all the documents, the applicants should now wait for the final ranking. 6. What are the deadlines for the ERGO Scholarship? The deadline for submitting the ERGO Scholarship for 2025-2026 is September 1, 2025. Generally speaking, this scholarship opens every year in June or July, and the deadline is mostly in late August and early September.